Have you heard of the 5-second rule by Mel Robbins? It's not about dropping food on the floor, it's a neuroscience-based technique. This rule can rewire your brain and help you take action. When you have an impulse to act, you must take action within 5 seconds. Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and physically move. It interrupts your brain's default patterns and activates the prefrontal cortex. This technique can help you overcome procrastination and make positive changes. It's a simple but powerful tool for breaking bad habits. The 5-second rule can push you out of your comfort zone. It's all about creating momentum and avoiding overthinking. When you count down, you prevent your brain from talking you out of it. It's a way to outsmart your brain's natural fear response. By using the 5-second rule consistently, you can build confidence. Remember, it's about taking control and making quick decisions. Mel Robbins' rule is based on the power of metacognition. This technique helps you become more aware of your thoughts and actions. The 5-second rule can be a game changer in your daily life. Start small by using it for simple tasks and then move on to bigger goals. Practice mindfulness and be present in the moment. It's about seizing opportunities and not hesitating. By implementing this rule, you can reshape your mindset. It's a tool for transforming your habits and behavior. Mel Robbins' rule reminds us that we have the power to change.